Hi, I'm Mahadi from Mastering UE. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this lid open animation for my Unreal Engine project using Blender. I'm using this sci-fi box model from Sketchfab. You can download it from here. And then I have this animation, opening a lid animation, this one. I'm using this animation and then this picking up animation. And now in Unreal Engine, here you can see this is my animation from Mixamo. So I'm going to retarget both of this animation for my mesh, I mean character skeleton mesh. Let's select both of this animation, export animation. So I'm going to export this animation in my animation folder. Now here I can see my animation. This is my animation. So let's save all. Now here you can see this is my box. So I have to rig this box. For that I'm going to do I'm going to create, or you can add a armature single bone. Let's go to this X-ray view. Then I'm going to escalate down. Let's move it somewhere around here. Okay, let's do one thing. Set this to in font. Now you can set this bone in font. Somewhere around here. Okay. Now go to edit mode and then select this ball icon and then press E on your keyboard. Now here you can see you can extrude this one. Now I'm going to extrude this on x-axis from this side. That's all I have to do. To rename this two bone, so let's select this first one and this is going to be cover and base. Okay. Now we have to select both of this object, then select this armature and press Ctrl+P. Parent with empty group, this one. Now let's go to pose, and if we move this on, nothing will happen. Okay, before that let's go to object mode. Now if I select this object here, you can see we have this cover and base group. So select this top one, go to edit, select all by pressing A, click A to select all of this faces, and then on cover just set them to assign. Now if I select here you can see, now I can select and deselect. Now same thing for this down mesh, select this one and go to edit. Now now click A to select all of these faces, and on base just assign them. Now here you can see select and deselect. Now if we go back to the pose mode, you can see now we can control this using our rig. Let's change this to, I think, stick. This will be good for our case. Okay, also you can adjust this point. All you have to do is just go to edit, select this bone, Then we can readjust this one like that. That's bad. We have this clipping issue. To fix that, let's get back to the edit mode. I'm going to select these two and then move them in x-axis at the end point. Okay, now it's good. That's nice. Okay, now on object mode I'm going to select all and then apply all transform. Now in animation tab, now in animation tab, I'm going to add an action key, create a new action key. This is going to be lid open. Now we can animate this rig. Just let's get at the first frame, and in pose mode I'm going to select this one, and in transform rotation we have to control this z axis. So let's create a key, and now maybe right here I'm going to add some value, maybe 1. Oops. 1. Okay, that's nice. Now add another key. Now here you can see we have this simple animation here. Okay, but we want to sync that animation with this one. So we have to do, I'm going to open this animation. So I'm going to export this animation. Export. Select your destination folder and reset to default, and then we have to select some settings here in advance. Okay, bake material input disable, map exclude on motion root. Export preview mesh. I think that's all I have to do. Just export now. Now we have this exported animation. So I'm going to import that in Blender. Let's import that FBX. Here you can see we have this animation right here. So where is our x-axis? This is our x-axis. Okay. Let's go to layout, and then I'm going to go to, okay, select this. Okay, let's remove this group. We don't need this one. Now select this root, and we're going to remove all of this animation from this root. Now we have to align this properly. Okay, let's hide this one. No. Let's align this somewhere around here. Okay, so I'm going to align this properly. Okay, minus 90. Okay. Maybe somewhere around here. Okay, let's remove this animation key from this box. Maybe something like that. Okay, nice. Now I'm going to back to the animation tab and then select our bone and then go to pause mode. Make sure you select this lid open action. Now we are going to animate this one. So before that, select all the bone and then insert a keyframe. So this is our default key, and let's add another key here. Now I'm going to animate this one, maybe somewhere around here. Okay, that's nice. Now add a key. Now I have to match this lid cover with character hand. So let's do that. Okay, select all of this bone. I think it's in one 159. So let's select our lid. And we have to select all of this bone, and we have to add another key at the end of this one. So let's set our keyframe to 159. Okay, this is not perfect, but it's okay for me. So I'm going to export this animation, box animation, for now. So to do that, I'm going to select only this armature, or if you want you can hide this or remove this character animation entirely, but I'm not going to do that. So let's select our armature and these two objects, and then I have to go to export FBX, select your destination. So I'm going to remove my old file. Now we have to do selected object, so we only export the selected object. Geometry, okay, all okay, we don't have to change anything else here. So let's just export that box. Now in our Unreal Engine, let's create a folder, props. Now let's create another folder for box. Now I'm going to import that box. Now here you can see we have this animation also. Now in our material, let's remove this one, also remove this one, create a folder for texture. So in the download file of this box, we have this texture, so I'm going to import all of them. Let's create a material from here and then select all of this. This is going to be normal, and this is our, what is this, ambient occlusion. I think this is roughness. Yes, roughness. And this one metallic, and this one is going to be emissive color. Make sure you set this material type to two side, save and close. Now open this lid box and use our material. That's all I have to do. Now if I drag this animation, here you can see we have this lid open animation in our map.